Hey guys, Ash here from C4 Tech, and in today's video, let's unbox the new Redmi Note 5A from Xiaomi and take a quick look. Opening up the box, we've got the 5A itself. Let's remove the protective plastic. We then have a leaflet, all in Chinese of course, since we've imported this one from China. Then there is a micro USB cable, no Type-C here, some ejector pin, and a travel adapter. Let's now get back to the Redmi Note 5A and take a closer look. My first thought here is, damn, it feels light. It actually weighs in at 150 grams, and the difference in heft that I felt was largely due to Xiaomi going with a plastic back plate here. The back's finished with metallic paint, so it looks better than say glossy plastic, but doesn't feel very solid in hand. In fact, there's some minor creaking as well, not a big deal. It wasn't even loud enough for me to capture it with a mic, but it is there and I think I need to mention it. So let's now take a closer look at the placements. To the front on top, we've got a 5 megapixel selfie camera, earpiece and sensors. That's followed by a 5.5-inch IPS LCD display with a 720p resolution. Finally, we've got 3 capacitive keys at the bottom. These are the regular keys and they are not backlit. To the back, there is a 13 megapixel camera with support for face detection, autofocus and an LED flash. This back does remind me of all things, the Smartphone SRT phone. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. We then have the primary microphone, micro USB port and speaker at the bottom. To the right, we find the power button and the volume rockers, the 3.5mm headphone jack, secondary noise cancelling microphone and an IR blaster are located to the top. Then there's a tray to the left. This tray can hold 2 SIMs and a micro SD card, so we get dedicated support for micro SD. Good. Now, like I said, the build quality doesn't feel great, but this is a budget phone, so we'll have to make some allowances for that. Anyway, underneath the hood, this phone's powered by the Snapdragon 425 chip. Now that's 4 Cortex A53 cores coupled with an Adreno 308 GPU, 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of onboard storage. Xiaomi does sell a higher variant of this phone that comes with an octa-core 435 chip, a better Adreno 505 GPU, and is available in flavors of 332 or 464 RAM storage configurations. The higher variant is commonly known as the Redmi Note 5A Prime and also sports a fingerprint scanner as well as a 16 megapixel selfie camera. All that makes it much better value. The Redmi Note 5A is priced at 699 yuan, that's about $110 or 6,900 Indian rupees. The higher variant, the Redmi Note 5A Prime, is priced at 899 yuan, that's about $140 or 8,900 Indian rupees. So for about $30 or the 2,000 rupee price difference, Xiaomi seems to be offering a lot more with the Prime. Anyway, let's now take a look at the software. The Redmi Note 5A is supposed to come with MIUI 9 out of the box, but we got MIUI 8.5 on a unit. I will be flashing the developer MIUI 9 variant on it as soon as I'm done with this video. And for low-end internals here, there's quite a bit of bloat, but as always, they can be uninstalled. The camera Xiaomi's used is a 13 megapixel snapper with a f2.2 aperture and support for face detection autofocus. These samples that you see were shot with the Redmi Note 5A's cameras. How do you think friends or family who'd be interested in a new Xiaomi device or the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A in particular, do share this video with them. That's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, this here's Ash. You've been watching C4 Tech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.